Welcome! If you're looking to update your address on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through every step, making it quick and easy to keep your information up to date with Facebook's latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to update. This will take you directly to your page's main profile. Now, look for the About section on your page. It's usually found on the left side menu or just below your cover photo, depending on the latest Facebook layout. Click on About to see all the details related to your page, including your address. Next to your current address, you'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 dots, often referred to as the More icon. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Address. This will open a new window or section where you can make changes to your page's address. Now, simply type in your new address details. Double-check to make sure everything is accurate. This information helps customers and visitors find your business or location easily. Once you're satisfied with the changes, look for the Save button and click it. That's it. Your new address is now updated on your Facebook page. Keeping your page information current ensures your followers and customers always know where to find you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.